Your Linux server has internet, but nothing works. This is how you can see exactly where it fails using tcpdump. We are going to test three things: ICMP, DNS, and TCP. Each one tells us a different part of the network story. Here is the command we are going to use. First, we check if the network is even reachable using ICMP. Using a different terminal, we are going to ping example.com in order to get some traffic. Back to the terminal, let us stop the capture. There are two things to verify in this tcpdump output. The first is the ICMP echo request. The second is the ICMP echo reply. This means that a request is going out and a reply is coming back. So the network part is working. If you had seen ICMP echo request without ICMP echo reply, it means no reply is coming back, but in this case, our network is good. Next, we are going to check DNS. This tells us if we can translate names like google.com into IP address. That's our command. Using the second terminal, let us ping google.com. Now let us check our tcpdump output. Here we can see our DNS going out. We can see our DNS returning, which means that DNS is working fine. If you had seen DNS going out but none coming back, then that would mean that the issue was with the DNS. Next up, TCP. We check real application connectivity using TCP. Using the second terminal, let us try call example.com. Back to the terminal where we run our tcpdump, we are going to analyze the output. In this output, we are looking for the three-way handshake. We can see the SYN, SYNAC, and ACK. Here we can also see the HTTP 200 OK message, which means that the server responded successfully. So instead of guessing network issues, we just read packets. ICMP tells us if we are reachable, DNS tells us if the names resolve, and TCP tells us if connection actually works. Once you can read tcpdump, Linux networking starts being guessing and becomes debugging. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to the channel, to like and share? Watch the next video in order to see other interesting tutorials.